Welcome, Motherland community. Please hit the subscribe, like, and share button. Today, I'm out here trying to make a repair to this auger. We purchased this when we first moved here in 2021. Used it to, we put up a fence around about 6 acres around my land, and we used this to dig the fence pole holes. And so after we got that done, I let it sit. And my mistake was this: I didn't use 100% gasoline. So when I got ready to use it again, it wouldn't start. So I began to notice, let me bring you in so you can see what that ethanol gas will do to some of your small engine parts. It just completely ate up the fuel lines. Fuel line, fuel filter, just completely eaten up. And all of that stuff, some of it rotted out in the gas tank. I didn't want to bore you with the details of, I took this gas tank off, cleaned it out, let it dry for a few days. And so now what I'm getting ready to do, hopefully I just went and scraped up some old stuff that I had. The only thing that I did purchase are these filters here. I'm going to use one of those, but the rest of this is stuff I had already. So I'm going to see what I can do about getting these lines put back together. What I need to do right now, since like I said, I cleaned off, took the tank off, cleaned it out, and put it back on. So now I'm going to try, let's get this out, take the rest of the old off, put the new on, hopefully. The main thing is, will it fit? That's the main thing. So get this old stuff off here, because now I'm at a point where I need it. I need it. I mean, that ethanol, it just ate it up. Ate them up. Ate them clean up. So I hope that I got just the right thing I need here. One of them was easy to get off. This one is being a little stubborn. The good thing about this is that the connectors for the tubes is metal. That's probably about the only good thing so far. You don't have to deal with trying to put it on plastic, which could be a problem. Let's see. Right now I'm trying to get the old stuff off. It's going to take me a minute because I don't want to damage the connector that it goes to. All right, so here's what I'm doing. This hose that I have two. I really need to save this one if I can for the smaller nozzle on the gas line. This one is slightly too big, but I'm trying to force it, okay? And so what I did, I put a slit in it. Well, not a slit. I actually put a point, cut a point in it. I got it in, so I put a little tri-flow on here for just to kind of lubricate it, so it will, I'm not worried about this amount of oil getting inside the tank. Not at this point. Everything that this thing has been through. So let's see, get it in here, try to pull it up enough to where I can cut that back square where it needs to be. Yeah, this is I don't know if this thing is old, Harbor Freight. I don't know if I can order parts for it, because I actually tried to look it up, and Harbor Freight's not even showing this model anymore. So If I can't fix it, I tried. All right, so I'm in there. I need to pull it up out this way, get the filter on. I'll try to get as much of it in there as I can. As much as I possibly can. And then we'll see if we can pull it out. I need something like a hook. Make a hook. To get it coming this way. No, you didn't do that. It broke. Okay. And we don't want to get debris in there. Don't want to do that. We just want to get it up here where I can help it along the way. All right, there we go. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Once I get this, both these tubes in place, this one is going to have the filter on it, so I want it to rest at the very bottom. It's going on pretty good. All right, let me square that up. I want to cut it, put a nice clean cut on it. Let me get something. All right, here. Hold on. Something under my knee here. And get me a nice clean cut on this thing without taking off too much. Okay. And the filter we're going to use, I really would like to use this one, but that thing, it just does not fit. We'll go with this one. Let's just see that. All right. That is on there. So now we'll go ahead and drop this in, because this actually just sits down inside. Yeah, that's good. That is good right there. Just like that. Okay, now this other one. This other one, oh my goodness, look at that tiny hole. Wow. I do have a tiny tube, but this tiny tube will not fit on the other end here. So that means somehow I've got to get this, and I could cut a slit in it and do the same, not a slit, cut a point in it and do the same thing, but that hole is so small, I don't think it will work. So what do we do here now? What do we do this time? What do we do? What do we do? Everything, all the other hoses I have are just too big. So, do we try to force it in? drill that hole out a bit, maybe. Wow. I'm gonna try to do the same. Wait a minute, hold it. Let me try this first. Let's see if there's a debris in that hole, or if that's actually something. Let's see. I need to know. I need to know. I don't want to get anything in there. Don't want to do that. I'm gonna try to see if that's a bunch of debris that's in the way, or is that hole actually that small? I don't want to lose that. All right, let's try it. What I'd like to do, just to be sure, all right, seems there was something in there. Some of the dry rotted old holes. I think I got it. Hope, because we don't want it to fall back in there. But I think I got it all out. If I get this thing running just for a few days, I'll be happy. Just a few days. Maybe the Lord will bless us where we can buy a new one. But I think there was something in there though. The old, like I said, that ethanol, it just ate the lines completely up. I mean, just ate them up. Okay, let's see, where are we now? Let's get the other line in here. This is going to be just a return line, so we don't need a lot of it, but I want to get it in there pretty good. So I think I will put me a point on here like we did the other one. That seemed to work pretty well. Okay. Lubricate it. Just need to get it in far enough to where it does its job. That's pretty much all. Oh, look at that. I think I felt it. Yeah, I think I feel it going in there. Like I said, this auger, it's been good to us. It was just my bad, not using 100% gas. Where we used to live, we didn't have 100% gas, but when we moved out here, I found that there are so many gas stations out this way that have 100% gas. And so I use it, especially after this happened, I use it on all of the small engines. Okay, that's in there good. So, good enough. So now at this point, I'm going to put the tank back on. Get the tank back on. And let's see. Which ones? Those go on top, bottom. I'm gonna snug it up. We don't want to overdo it. Just snug it up. That's good. Now, this is the lock for the tank. It goes here. A bracket. Part of it goes underneath and part goes on the top. Along with, make sure we're not missing anything. I don't think so. Those two. Now from this point, I want to make sure that the line that has the filter on it goes on the larger nozzle, which is the one on the bottom. Don't torque it, just snug it. Let's get these. Now, I couldn't find, but I made it work right here with the way I'm doing this. Get these on the bottom. I didn't clean this thing up a whole lot because I didn't want to put a lot of effort into cleaning. The main thing was getting the tank clean. If it works with the new fuel lines on it, we'll clean it up. But for now, this is the way I had to do this. Hold on. All right. Good enough. All right. All right, so I got one of the tubes in place. Let's see, let's get this other one on. We don't want to throw any of that away. May need it again, so get us a nice clean cut on here. All right. The lines are in. Everything's in, all put back together. I don't remember the gas oil ratio, so I'm gonna look that up, get some gas in it, and hopefully when I come back, we'll fire it up. Well, Mother's Land, here's the deal. Got the new lines in, put gas in it and everything, and the bubble seems to still be in good shape, but it will not pump gas. The gas is just not moving through the line. So my guess is the carburetor is probably shot. If you have any ideas, any suggestions out there, I'm listening. But But right now, we need a new one. Have a blessed day.